She is in the class 4 now. One day she is writing in her notebook. Do you remember Ammu's friend Bittu the Skidder? He came running to Ammu.
What are you doing, Ammu?
Our teacher told us to write about what is a tree.
For me, a tree is a friend.
This is good idea. Let's go and ask others. Ammu and Bittu set out to ask others what is a tree. They meet a farmer on the way.
Mama, what is a tree?
It is a plow to make my field ready. Ammu and Bittu, they keep going. Meet a fisherman.
Kaka, what is a tree?
It is a boat to carry me across waters. Next, Ammu and Bittu meet a homemaker. She has a bundle of sticks on her head.
Chinni, what is a tree?
It is firewood to cook meat for my family. Ammu and Bittu keep going out. They meet a traveler.
Nani, what is a tree?
It is like umbrella family.
Ammu, look, you are playing there.
Friends, what is a tree?
It is
Then the mango falls down. All the children look up. There are some birds and monkeys on the terrace.
What is a tree, dear?
It is a place for me to live. It is my food to eat.
Same here, dear.
Amma and to play with their friends for some time. Then they start walking back home.
Now I know what a tree is. It is everything for us.
It is our life.